Okay, competitors in competition 1. Is everybody ready? Fantastic. Well, let's get this competition underway. You have 45 minutes starting from now. Good luck, everybody. Enjoy it.
I think just do it if you're passionate about hair and if it's what you enjoy doing, just give it your best shot.
I think it gives you confidence as well, especially if this is a new industry you're coming into like myself.
I'd go for it 100%. It's a way to interact with new people, network.
If it's your first time, just definitely go for it.
Really need to push yourself, because even if you're uncertain and your nerves have taken over, it's just worth it. Just stepping out the box now and again makes such a difference, and it doesn't matter if you don't get at the top, or you might surprise yourself and do really well. It's just improving your skill level to test yourself. You need to test yourself in life and improve in all your skills.
My boss and all the girls in my salon have pushed me, and if someone pushes you, just do it, don't say no. So I thank them now for pushing me and pushing me to do it. But at the time I didn't want to do it, so just keep pushing yourself to do it, I'd say.
The overall winner of Salon Cymru